Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rinsing 1 cup of dal until the water runs clear. This removes grit and excess starch so the texture cooks evenly. Once rinsed, add 3 cups of water and a pinch of salt, then bring the pot to a vigorous boil to jumpstart gelatinization. Make sure to skim any surface foam quickly. It prevents bitter buildup. Reduce heat to a steady simmer, or use a pressure cooker for 1-2 whistles to reach tender, falling apart dal ready for flavoring. While the dal cooks, you build the flavor base in a separate pan so each element completes properly. Heat 2 tablespoon oil or ghee and crack in 1 tsp mustard seeds and 1 tsp cumin seeds. Let them pop to release aroma. Next, sauté 1 chopped onion until golden for sweetness, then add 1 tablespoon ginger-garlic paste to deepen savory notes. Once fragrant, fold in 1 chopped tomato plus 1/2 tsp turmeric, and once you now bring the dal and masala together so the flavors marry properly. Pour the cooked dal into the pan and simmer gently for 5-10 minutes to thicken and mellow. Taste for seasoning and adjust with salt, a teaspoon of sugar if flat, and finish with 1/2 tsp garam masala for warmth. Mash about 1/3 of the dal against the pan to add body, then garnish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon. If the curry is too thin, simmer uncovered. If bland, add salt or acid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.